right, so this is a wall plug that I got for our upcoming cruise. Super excited about it. The brand is Alitayee. I think I'm saying that correctly. So, let me show you. So you have 3 plugs, 2 USBs, and a USB-C, which is awesome because the last one I had that was similar to this did not have it. It also has a cord. The other model that I had similar to this, it just had a plug in the back, but sometimes that's not convenient for, you know, where you need to plug it in. So this is awesome. And the plug is sideways, so it's not going to take up the whole space because this is hard. You know, if you have to plug it in this way and then you can't use the bottom plug, it plugs in sideways. Brilliant. So yeah, this I'm going to use for our upcoming cruise, but you can use it for, you know, a number of needs or purposes. Hotel, home, whatever. So definitely recommend. I'm super excited about it. I think it's going to be perfect. It's lightweight, it's, you know, packable, and yeah, definitely excited about it. Give it a look.